Welcome students in a class of mathematics. We are solving chapter 4 factorization exercise 4.4. Question number 1y, 250x cube minus 16y cube. From these two terms we can take two common. So 125x cube minus 8y cube is left. 2 into 5x whole cube. This we can write 5x whole cube because 5 will multiply 3 times, we will get 125. X 3 times x cube. So 125 x cube will be written as 5x whole cube minus 8y cube will be written as 2y whole cube. So this became in the form of a cube minus b cube. A is 5x and b is 2y. We know a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. First of all, I wrote a minus b. This 2 is carried here. A minus b means 5x minus 2y into a square means 5x whole square plus ab 5x into 2y plus b square 2y whole square. 2 into 5x minus 2y 5x whole square equal to 25x square plus 10xy plus 4y square. These become the factors of the given equation. Question number 2a. Factorize the following: 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 27y cube. This 8x cube I wrote in the form of 2x whole cube. If we simplify 2 multiplied by 3 times, it will be 8 and x cube. 12x square and after this I wrote this 1 whole cube and these two I have written as 3 into 2x into 1 inside bracket 2x plus 1. So if you multiply 3 into 2x 6x into 2x 12x square plus 6x into 1 6x and this plus 1 is written already 1 cube and minus 27y cube is written as 3y whole cube. So here what are you seeing? You are seeing that this is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That is the formula of a plus b whole cube. At the place of a we have 2x and at the place of b we have 1. So 2x plus 1 whole cube minus 3y whole cube. This came in the form of a cube minus b cube. A minus b, at the place of a we have 2x plus 1 and at the place of b we have 3y. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b means 2x plus 1 minus 3y into a square, that is 2x plus 1 whole square, plus ab means 2x plus 1 into 3y plus b square means 3y whole square. So here this is in the form of a plus b whole square. For that I wrote a square plus 2ab plus b square, 3y into 2x 6xy plus 3y into 1 3y, 3 3s are 9y square, and this term is carried here. So the factors of the given polynomial became, factors of the given algebraic expression became 2x minus 3y plus 1 into 4x square plus 4x plus 1 plus 6xy plus 3y plus 9y square, and in this way the chapter is completed. Now we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 5 simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Chapter 5 simultaneous linear equations of two variables. In this we get some words such as linear, equation and simultaneous. Linear, that defines the maximum index or maximum power of the equation. On the basis we classify the equations as linear, quadratic, cubic and so on. Linear, if the maximum index is 1, such as we say ax, here maximum index of the variable we are seeing 1, and two variables two variables, these two variables such as ax plus by. So these two are the variables, x and y are the variables. This is linear because its maximum power, maximum index is 1. Two variables because there is two variables x and y. Equation that equates to 0 means this is equal to 0. So it is an equation. Simultaneous means pair of equations. Suppose this is x1, this is y1, next equation may be ax2, by2, or in this way we can understand cx plus dy, that is also equal to 0. So this is the pair of equations, two equations that will establish a system. Which type of system? That all the values of x and y will satisfy the equation. Means if we keep the value of x and y in this equation, then that will be equal to 0. So it establishes a system, or the values of x and y will satisfy the equation. So from these terminologies we can prepare the definition of simultaneous linear equations of two variables. We can write a pair of equations, those establish a system, a pair of equations of two variables, those satisfy the equation with maximum index 1. A pair of equations with maximum index 1, a pair of equations of two variables, we write a pair of equations of two variables, those with maximum index 1 establish a system is simultaneous linear equations of two variables, is called simultaneous linear equations of two variables. If ax plus by equal to 0, another we can take such as cx plus dy equal to 0. This is a pair of linear equations of two variables with maximum index 1, and these two can establish a system if the values of x and y will satisfy the equation. In this, the value of x and y will satisfy the equation. The values of x and y will satisfy the equation means if we keep the value of x and y in this equation, we will get equal to 0. So I prepared this definition on the basis of these words. A pair of equations of two variables, these are two variables x and y, with maximum index 1, here maximum power or maximum index we are seeing 1 of these variables, establish a system. Which system? Means if we keep the values of x and y in the given equations, then that will be equal to 0, is called the simultaneous linear equations of two variables.